dad. He's the film camera. So come on, let's go load up and let's go on the road. Hey guys, we're back on camera and we are really close to Lake Forest golf course. So after we take a turn right here, we go straight and then take another turn. And then take another turn, we'll park, and then we'll go to the driving range, go to the ball machine, and put in our special key that lets us, since we're part of the club, it gives us, we get a big free bucket of balls. So, and then after we go through that, we're going to putt. So, we're really close. Now we just want to go down the street. And this is the driving range right here. Top and bottom. You're most likely going to be on the bottom, right, Dad?
Yep.
And you can pay extra to be on the grass. But we don't do the grass because it's way too expensive and it's too hard for us. And here we are, we just parked and we're going to get out and go to the machine and get the bucket of balls.